here's what you need: a new air cleaner element and proper PPE. Before beginning, ensure the engine is not running. Servicing the air cleaner element while the engine is running will allow dirt to enter the engine. Step 1. Remove the housing cover. Step 2. Remove the element from the housing and discard it according to local regulations. Step 3. Install a new clean element. Step 4. Replace the housing cover. Now that you've completed all of the steps to change an air cleaner element, here are a few helpful tips to keep your element in top shape. First, before running the engine, ensure the engine air cleaner element is installed properly and has not become damaged or plugged. This will help prevent dirt from entering the engine and causing premature wear and damage. With proper cleaning and inspection, an element may be reused multiple times. However, the element must be replaced at least once a year, regardless of cleaning and inspection practices. For additional information about cleaning, inspection, and storage, refer to the Operation and Maintenance Manual for your specific model.